Get strong.
Hi everyone, it's Lisa from the Stoney Creek School of Art. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be drawing a Pokemon character, which is one of my favorites. It's Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff is a balloon Pokemon. So the first shape we're going to start with is going to be a circle. So if you've seen my other videos, you know that I sort of put my pinky knuckle down on the paper and use that as a guide to help draw the circle shape. So it's about the muscle movement in your arm. And then I put my pencil down slowly and draw the circle. So don't worry if you have a lot of sketchy lines. When you go to trace your shape, you're gonna sort of eliminate a lot of those lines. Okay, so we have the base of Jigglypuff. And next thing we're gonna do is work on the ears. So they are upside down letter V's. So one there. And another one on this side. And then within these shapes are triangles. Okay, so far so good. Next, we're going to map in the curl of Jigglypuff's hair. So the first shape that I'm going to do is going to be a big curve, just like that. And again, I draw things really sketchy just to sort of get my shape. And then on this end, I'm going to bring the curve in a little bit more. So it's sort of like the letter E. And then on this inside area, I'm just going to bring it in to a curve like that. And this tail of the original curve that I drew, I'm going to bring that up. Perfect. Okay, now Jigglypuff's eyes are big circles. So one on this side, the other on this side. And I'm going to draw a circle on the inner portions, and then two more circles. So what this is going to be is the white area of the eye, the sort of blue-green color of Jigglypuff's eye, the black pupil, and I'm going to add another circle for the white shine. So same on this side, the white eye, the colored part of Jigglypuff's eye, the black pupil, and then the white eye shine. In between the eyes, sort of parallel to the bottom of the eyeballs, is the smile. And then the arms come out similar shapes to the ears, just a little bit more curved. So we don't want that harsh sort of point on the top. So we're just rounding that shape off. And then another arm on this side. With your eraser, we're going to erase the inside of this arm, as well as part of the head shape that's in the ears, as well as in the hair. Okay, so we're going to move on to the feet. So Jigglypuff's feet are like ovals. So one here. And this one's going to be on an angle. So you can do a construction line, so a really light angle line to help you. And then that's where you're going to draw the next oval, or the hot dog or sausage shape, just like that. And then you would erase anything that's inside this one. Excellent. So I'm going to get to tracing, erasing, and then coloring. Jigglypuff evolves when it reaches a certain point of happiness. How cool is that? To be so happy that you just change and grow for the better. I think we all could learn a little bit from that. So I try to color in one direction, you might have noticed. That's just a little way to keep your drawing really clean looking and not so scribbly. I'd love to see your drawings. If you want a different kind of Pokemon character, please let me know on our Instagram page, Stoney Creek School of Art. Tag me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.